You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name. How do you say it correctly? Well, there are 3 different pronunciations for it. The most common probably is as Colles Fracture. Colles Fracture, you're safe with that one. But the Merriam-Webster also lists it as Colles Fracture. It's also accepted, and many say it also as Colles Fracture. So Colles Fracture, that's probably the safest. Colles Fracture is also fine, and Colles Fracture I think is okay. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.